Hi, I'm Mike at OCD Lawn Care, and we're back on Nick's lawn. We did a weed treatment on here, and we had lots of red thread and out the back. So we treated that with high nitrogen and lots of iron. Touch wood, we seem to have got rid of it, but we're going to power rake it because the sward's too thick. Tick all the broadleaf weeds out that have residing away. So yes, we're going to use the Allet power rake Hater Harrier 56. So he's going to follow behind me. We're probably going to hit this twice, 90 degrees, checker it, reset the nap because it's pulling us left, right, all sorts of directions. So that's the power raking done. As you can see, I went 4 times on each line. I just kept going until the lawn stopped giving the thatch and necrotic grass. It's absolutely horrendous here. Well, it was stressing the Allet out, and also the owner, Nick, was having problems mowing because it's just too thick. So we can see the soil now in the canopy all around the edge of the lawn where the seeds blow from the concrete. We've got all Pomerania, all the weed grasses there. So we're going to scalp it down. We're going to just take one for the team, get it done now. In a week, 10 days, it'll be brand new. I'll actually bring you back here in 10 days time, maybe 2 weeks. I'm going to go across with the power rake on the Allet, and Nick, the owner, is going to follow me and scalp it down. So it's going to look really bad. You know, it's going to look rubbish. So let's get on with it because it's getting late. Let's crack on. Right, so that's the power raking done 90 degrees, and Nick's done a wonderful job with his Hater mower on number 1. As you can see during that time lapse, I was using the Ego 52 on number 1, and it doesn't match what the Hater was doing out there. So I'm almost scalping it. Yeah, so it's very, very low, and we're back to seeing soil in between the grass. So I'll take you for a quick walk over, then I'm going to spray the lawn with my MV juice that I've made. You know, it makes the lawn go green with MV. So we'll get that on, and then I'll have to come back tomorrow morning and come over with the aerator, but not taking cords out. I'll be spiking the lawn and just pulling the soil, so just get some airflow into the canopy. So I'll film that tomorrow, but for now I'll take you for a quick look over the canopy so you can see that we've not got thick, dense sward of grass. We're horrendous with the power over there, but we'll attend to that spring next year realistically now. So yeah, I'll take you over the canopy. So as you can see, here's all the power where we was getting infested over here. Doesn't look great, but we will get it. It's not going to be a problem. Yeah, you couldn't even see any soil in here, but now you can see. But even if this, well, the lawnmower just couldn't get through it. It was stalling the Hater out, which is a professional mower, and stalling it completely. So, yeah, even the Allet, the spring rake was needed a bit more horsepower on that Honda engine to get through that, but we're through it. Yeah, so hyperlapse of my special MV juice, and then come back in the morning and get some holes in it and let it recover. So I will come back to that, so make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see that and get a notification. Oh, and just to show you what we took off the front lawns here and the back lawns, we got 9 bags of junk. So yeah, lawn clippings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and just all crap, just rubbish. And obviously all the dead's been covered with the when we scalped it, but yeah, just pure rubbish in the lawn. Probably nearly 1,000 square meters out here with front and back. So because we've got this little one over here as well that's been scalped down. I'll show you that later. I'll send the drone up and you can see the land from above, as they say. Yeah, so 9 of those. So yeah, let's get the recovery juice on. Okay, so it's exactly 4 weeks on since we power raked and put in the NV juice that I make up. As you can see, the lawn's looking fantastic colour. The power has really been stressed out. The lawn's recovered fantastically. It's very wet out here, but we're going to put the spikes in the lawn now, put lots of holes in it. We're not doing core aeration, we're just spiking it just to help it. So yeah, 4 weeks on, it recovered fantastically. So really happy with that. Got to be careful with this. This weighs about 105, 110 kilos, and it is going to rub the lawn out a little bit with the wheels. So have to pick it up and do the turns. Let's go. Okay, so that's Nick's lawn all spiked with solid tines. As it's so wet, you'd see me pulling the aerator back, so I wasn't doing turns because I didn't want to squish the lawn because we are clay based here. So we're going to get the Harrier 56 Pro over it, take the tips of the lawn off, and that'll roll out these grooves that have appeared, so it's smoothing the canopy back out. So hyperlapse of Nick doing his mowing on his front lawn. And then I'll be applying an NV treatment over it, which is everything grass and turf needs. And then I'll take you over the canopy then when it's all done. So enjoy the hyperlapse of the owner himself doing his work. Enjoy. The owner. Okay, that's Nick's lawn all sprayed, mowed. So that's 4 weeks on from the verticut that we done. Stressed it out a lot, not verticut, sorry. We power raked it with the outlet and we scalped it. So it's looking lovely. With our, well, we use Boston Seeds granular feeds and the NV juice that I make up, which is everything a lawn needs. So we are doing a nitrogen blast right up to the winter. So this lawn will recover very early spring. Should be one of the first customers' lawns that I do that recover, well, should recover first, really. Well, time will tell on that one, we'll see, because we're testing the, doing this nitrogen blasting. So yeah, I'll take you over this, well, without walking over the lawn, and then I'll show you the back, because we did the same process out the back. So let's have a quick look. Okay, so where the Powerania was all around here, it's still slow to recover because the other grass is growing in, but we're in really good shape, yeah? You can see him stressed out there, but loads have been decimated. So yeah, it's looking very, very well. This is Boston Seeds Premier. It's looking in good shape, guys. Lovely colour, nice and healthy. We are clay here, so with what we've done to it again today, has affected it because the clay holds onto the grass leaf and doesn't let it spring back up. So yeah, so that's it really. We won't be doing nothing. This is really stressed out from the clay and from the machinery, but that'll all come back a couple of weeks. I will come back. I'll send the drone over the 2 lawns here in a couple of weeks and show you all, but yeah, I don't know if it comes across on camera, but it's looking really, really fine. So yeah, let's show you at the back. So this is the back, stressing out on the turns, very wet. Same process, I've just done solid aeration to this lawn, but this is Boston Seeds child play, and it's looking very well. I don't want to go out there, and the same as the front, we power raked it and scalped it down, and it's 4 weeks on from that, but it recovered after 2 weeks. And this is the same process. We are doing nitrogen blasting of this lawn with Boston Seeds granular feeds. So the two, well, my liquid foliage feeds and Boston Seeds granular, well, they're working in harmony together, as you can see. So 2 weeks on or 10 days on from now, this will be fully recovered from the heavy machinery that's gone over it today. So yeah, I'll come back and do another video. Editing is a problem at the moment, but I will come back and do another video, and I'll send the drone up and we'll see what it's like from the sky. So good luck with your lawns. Keep on top of them. We're in real good shape for the winter to come, and we're going to recover really fast in the spring for sure. So yeah, see you at the next one, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe. See you at the next one, guys. Bye for now.